In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stop someone from saving snaps here on Snapchat. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do if you want someone to stop saving snaps here in Snapchat is begin by opening up Snapchat and taking a snap like you normally would. Once you do have your picture ready, look over to the right hand side of the screen, and at the very bottom of the settings, you're going to see an option for a clock or stopwatch. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to pull up the timer settings. And if it's currently set to infinity or no limit, then anyone you send that snap to will now be able to save it. To stop that from happening, simply just choose a time limit instead. Something like 10 seconds, you could even do 5 seconds, or even less. This way the snap is going to disappear automatically after that time and cannot be saved by any of your friends. But yeah, overall it really is as simple as that. Just by adjusting the timer right here will make sure that your snaps can't be saved permanently. I hope this guide did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does let us know that you want more Snapchat content just like this. And if you're trying to help us out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.